All right, guys, if you have ever thought about coming down to Costa Rica to do anything about cosmetic surgery, liposuction, dental stuff, implants, veneers, anything, stem cell stuff.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't know all the medical terms, I'm sorry. Your back surgery stuff, if you've ever considered Costa Rica, you're gonna wanna check out what we're about to say, because I'm excited that we're getting ready to do this. We're gonna be talking to our good friend Johnny for a minute. If you don't recognize him from some of the other videos, he is our medical guru guy. He knows, he's vetted the doctors, he knows who to send people to. He just helps you. He helps you get what you need when you come down here. But the interesting thing is what we're going to be doing in the next couple weeks.
We're going to do a lot, Mike.
We are, and I'm excited because I want to do it. So let's tell them what we're going to do, or what we're, yeah.
Well, we're going to take the experience, and you're going to see it firsthand. You're going to see where you're going to go, where you would be, who you're going to talk to, what the procedure looks like, what's the recuperation time, a lot of things.
Yeah, so we're going to be, here's just a couple things we will be doing. We are going to visit a hospital. We're going to be taking a tour of a hospital so you can see it. We are going to be talking to a doctor, and we are going to ask him some of the hard questions, your questions about maybe prices, maybe Costa Rica versus Mexico, maybe how long, you know, something lasts, or is there a guarantee with the work?
So write questions in the comments.
Yeah, so if you have questions that you would like to have answered, we're going to work them in these videos, because this is going to be like a little mini series.
Full transparency on whether one country or another, on what it actually is.
Right, so we want to make you feel good, because I want to feel better. I want to know, I haven't toured a hospital here. I want to see, does it really, they say it looks like one from the United States or Canada or whatever. I want to tour it. I want to see, and I can't wait to talk to the doctors and get some of these questions answered.
I'm going to show you what a third world country hospital looks like.
Okay, we are not, it's not third world. Costa Rica, I can't stand when people say Costa Rica's third world.
Right.
I like to say developing country. But this developing country, medical tourism, dental stuff is getting to be a big thing here. And I want to show people why, and I also want to answer the questions they might have about it.
I joke about it, Mike, but yes, it's not a third world country in the sense of technology. A lot of the doctors have studied abroad, both in Europe and in the US, so this is first rate.
Right, so I want to show people, and I'm excited, man. I can't wait. So it's going to be a little mini series we're going to be doing. You can expect the first video, I would say, within the next couple weeks, and then we're going to do some follow-up videos of the same. And again, don't forget to write your questions that you want to know. Maybe you got something you want to know about dental implants or something. You know, how long you have to be in Costa Rica to have that done, or whatever it is. Write it in the comments. We're going to try to answer them. We're going to try to get them in the videos. We're going to talk to doctors about it. So, Johnny, I can't wait to do this, man. Thanks.
No problem.
It's
Waiting
always
for you.
All right, I'm Michael Allen, TravelCostaRicaNow.com. Peace, guys. It's going to help. It is going to help.